Struggling with your Amazfit Bip 6? Let's get it back to factory settings. Press the side button to wake up the screen. Swipe down for a quick menu. Find and select Settings icon. Go to System. Select Factory Reset. All data will be erased from the watch. Or you can select items you want to retain by tapping on them. Confirm by tapping the Confirm. Wait patiently for the reset to complete. Look for the language selection screen. Subscribe for more useful tips.